So once again, good afternoon, all the students, and we are going to discuss some more meaning and question answer now. So now the meaning is a new, A-N-E-W, a new. A new means again, once more. Then pantheon. Pantheon means you see a temple dedicated to all the gods. So remember the spelling also Pantheon. Pantheon. Pantheon means a temple dedicated to all the gods. It is called Pantheon. A new means again one more. One more meaning you see in the book, children. Trance. A state of mind in which one is not fully conscious, conscious and cannot move. Trance means a state of mind in which one is not fully conscious and cannot move. So the person is not able to move from one place to another by himself. Right? Mental state is not having normal at that time. So this is called trance. Trance. Last meaning is there. This also you can see. Alcohol. Alcohol. Alcohol means recesses in the wall of a room or garden. Okay, provided with alcoves. Recesses in the wall of a room or garden means decoration is done in the wall of room or garden. So you can write in answer provided recesses in the wall of a room or garden. Now we can discuss the question answer. So you all go to the page number 64 and see the first point. Faint was the light at first that showed on Jan farm and Mastodon, on half-formed plant and beast of prey, and man as rude and wild as they. A, B, C. Three questions are there. First question. How did the light first come about? Who will say this answer? Children, who will say this answer? How did the light first come about? So you can say the answer, the light first which came was fainted light, and this light came from God. Okay, this can be your answer. I am saying you keywords and you can make your answer around the keyword. Right? Now you can see the next question. On whom did the light first shine? So if light is falling, then things are becoming visible. Example, if I am watching myself in the mirror, okay, imagine this is night and I am watching myself in the mirror and the bulb is off, I cannot see myself in the mirror. So that time I am bringing maybe a torch. So if I am lighting the torch on the mirror, then also I cannot see the image. What I have to do? I have to focus on my face. Then in the mirror I can see. So it is clear that the light should emit from the object so that we can see them. Okay, so that we can see them. So the first light fell on whom? The name is also given, you see. First on the mastodon, this is mammal, extinct mammal, okay, in the ancient time, and on the giant fir, okay, on the land. Human beings also, animal also, and half-formed plant. So this can be your answer. Understood this much? You can say yes, no, anything, at least you can say. Okay. Anyone want to read C number question? You can read C number question. Yes. First is simile, second is personification, and third is metaphor. And man as rude and will as they. So as rude, okay, as rude and wild as they, as rude as. So this is simile, okay. Okay, so I think you all have not done reading. So this much question we have discussed, and later we will discuss the next question in the next class. One more class we should have for this lesson. Okay. So now, how many children are present in the class? Let me see. Okay, so many students are present. So one by one, you are going to read the poem in the class from beginning. First, Ankita, you read the poem. So you see, no one is speaking. You sit at the quiet place, children. Okay, continue. Okay, stop. Stop now. Very nice. Now listen. If you are having the online class, children, this is my suggestion that you sit at quiet place and you see that ventilation is good there. Because if ventilation is good, your network issue never you will face. Okay. So online classes you are having and nicely you have take this classes also seriously. So now who will read? Okay, next child, Akriti, you read. Okay, very nice. Next child, who is that? Let me see. Or you start your reading by yourself. Somehow. Yes, from beginning. So you focus on reading, okay? Children, in English we have to focus on two important sections. First, speaking, and second, writing. Reading is coming in speaking section only. So you should be good in reading. All children should be good in reading. So let me see who will read next. Okay, so next is Rajni. Okay, Rajni, read. You are listening, Rajni. Unmute yourself. Or I think few children they are joining the class. Their audio is off, video is also off, and I don't think they are watching the online class also. I am having doubt because if you are watching, why you are not unmuting now and reading? Okay, so let me ask another child. Okay, Ankita, you read from the beginning. Okay. Yes, very nice. So, children, you should focus on reading also. Okay, every day at home, you take time. You take time to read. You regularly read. Then only you will get command over the words. I'm saying to all the children, those who will watch the video also, to them also I want to speak today, and I want to say to you all, reading is important part of studying, because later you have to speak somewhere, later you have to give speech maybe, later you have to interact with so many people in your life. So your words, your commands, your pronunciation should be good, children. So start working on it. Have a good day.